Hi everyone, Michelle here from Acrylic Mixology Art. So I was coating my canvas and just talking away and realized I never started the record button, which I have done before. I just get focused and think about what I want to do and I forget about doing other things. So anyways, this is a blue base. This is actually called this is Phthalo Blue, but it's by Master's Touch, and it dries really dark, and that's why I like it a lot. So I actually have a slightly lighter shade up here and a darker one down here. I think I'm going to do my design like this. I'm doing a cloud pour, so hopefully I won't put too much paint on here, which I am notorious for doing, and that is my that's a white cloud base, but I kind of wanted to put some blue in there too, so I add a little more in. See, forgot to do something else I should have done before I put the white down. It's all good though, right? It's just paint. Put a tad more in here. There. This is also a white cloud pour base because I want my clouds to be a blue and a white. So this is Aquarius by Color Art Pigments. Payne's Gray. What is this? This is Turquoise Blue. We got a blue theme going in case you didn't know. This is just Artist Loft Blue. I don't know that I want a ton of that in there, but some a little different. This is Amsterdam Sky Blue Light. A little light contrast. This is, hang on. This is a Color Art Primary Elements. This is Chestnut Brown. And it's kind of a bronzy, kind of coppery color, which I like. And then this is teal. Yeah, it's cobalt teal. So I am going to move these out of the way because I know me. I mean, I forget to start a button, so I'm quite certain there will be paint in every one of those. These probably a few bubbles. Alright, so I think I'm gonna go this way a little, but then I don't think I'm gonna go off the edge. I think I'm gonna go that way and then come down. I don't know, let's see where the paint is. I think I want to leave some negative space on here. Let's see how much. I still got quite a bit of paint, so end up taking some of this down. All right. Let me clean my hands and you can watch that develop because I see a really big boogie in there I need to get out. Can't find my tweezers. I have no idea what I do with them. All right, I gotta find my tweezers. Trying to bring this a little more in focus for you. There is not a lot of paint left on here, which is good. I mean, that's what helps with the cloud pearls for sure. Right now I'm just kind of concentrating on one color. Just drawing some lines for some interest. I do like this chestnut brown. It looks bronzy with these colors, especially because they look kind of watercolor, so it looks kind of like wet sand, honestly. I like how the blue, and I think it's this, I think it's the turquoise. No. Yeah, that's turquoise blue. That's all intermingled in here, and then the white is also in there as well, which is what I wanted. I wanted some white in there, so I wanted some of my cloud pearls to be white, which I got a good bit over here, and this is mostly blue, and that's okay. I'm all right with that because I have quite a bit of the blue. One place I really don't have any is right here, but I'd be willing to bet you there will be some forming in there before this dries, no doubt. So very good webbing, nice webbing down here. But these are growing. So I'm going to pause here for a minute, and then I'll be right back. So I took some time and cleaned up my colors and got them in their little storage bottles. These are Powerade, Gatorade, some kind of aid, or apple juice, or whatever. This is icing, the icing cups, Pillsbury, because my husband loves the sprinkle cakes with the sprinkle icing. That is his favorite cake. It reminds him of his childhood. So anyways, I use them too. I use anything that's plastic and will seal paint up. This, as you can see, it is exploded, which I knew it would, which is why I wanted to keep some of that negative space, but I poured a little too much paint on there, and I didn't want to come back this way. I wanted it to stay up that way, but I probably should have. So I quit touching it up because, as you can see, these have grown so much. The streak of bronze that was there is down to a little bitty creek instead of a river, and the same thing with down here. So after it dries, I might go in and do a little more touch up, but interesting color cells. The only thing I'm not seeing a ton of is my Color Art Aquarius. I was looking for some shimmer, and that's why I put it down first, thinking it would shimmer with the white, because that's what it's done before. I can see it in places here, and then little bits of it throughout, but not a big congregation of it. And it is all up in here. I don't see really any shimmer down here on it. Actually, that's not true. I see a little bit along different parts. So anyways, a little disappointed that that didn't show up as much as it did. But I want to do a second one of these. I wanted to do a pair, and maybe I can get a little more to show up. And I see some right in here, but the bronze, I'm sorry, it's not actually bronze, it just looks bronze. This is the chestnut brown by Color Art, and it has shimmer to it as well. So that's also, you can see some of that through there. But anyways, the only place I see the Payne's gray is here. Now I did, and a little bit up in there. I did not add a bunch of Payne's gray because I didn't want it to be overwhelming. And then this is the, I don't know how well you can see it. This is the golden version, and the golden Payne's gray definitely has more of that dark blue hue to it versus some other brands of just Payne's gray where it just looks like a dark gray. So anyways, I used the blue version of that. So I'll get you guys down for a close-up, and then perhaps some dried results. I do like the blue and the white clouds, mixture of clouds. I think they look kind of cool. Trying to catch some of that shimmer, but I don't think I'm going to. There's a little bit of it in there, but anyways, this is definitely makes me think water feature, water something. And I anticipate that these are going to keep growing even more. So I do think I'm going to have to go back in and do some dry touch up with maybe the bronze. I'm not seeing a ton of it, so it's all disappearing. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Should be making another one, maybe. Have a wonderful day. I'll show you the dried results. These are the dried results. There's actually some texture here from the pearls. I think I am going to go in and add a few little, probably some little touch-ups. And then here, I don't know if you can really tell on camera, but here is the, that was the Aquarius that gave it that shimmer, and down here as well. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day. Thanks.